So I was walking from my mum's house back to my house, and on the way saw a flock of cockatoo-ish type birds hanging out in the park. So I decided to chuck on the high-speed cam and walk towards them and watch their graceful flight in slow motion when I got home and looked at the video that I made. Anyway, as you can see here, there is a ibis, or Thoth, the ancient Egyptian deity of trash and magic. Cool, huh? The best thing about this whole video is, though, that I didn't realize was that birds, when you slow them down, sound like dinosaurs trying to have sex with each other after outgrowing their ability to do that in the middle of a mass extinction 100 million years ago or something. Hey there, Brachiosaurus man. Do you reckon you could, get a leg up without breaking my spine? Sorry, Brachiosaurus lady. I didn't mean to be so excessively large and heavy. It's not my fault. It's the various, concentrations of gases in the atmosphere. Mostly as a result of our farts. Pretty good. I think it's quite funny. Also, don't just look majestic flying around in slow motion like that. Anyway, there was these birds that were a bit braver about me coming up with them. Anyway, high-speed cam automatically turns itself off, and it sounds like modern day bird noise chaos.